Deep thrusters engaged. Subspace engines primed. A special collab episode features Sekov. Something fishy going on in Kansas.
Wojak 101 proudly presents Spaced Out.
With characters designed by Sekov and voiced by Lemmy. Enjoy, my friends! Featuring Chris Travis. Little Joe! Edward. Leonard.
I cannot wait to eat those tasty and juicy ribs.
Leonard, you are the lucky one. You get the sardine.
Sardines on the barbecue. Tasty.
I don't like sardines.
Leonard buddy, we thought you were sick and weren't coming on the camping trip.
Guys? And what about bears? I heard there are bears in these parts of the woods. Maybe camping is not safe.
Leonard my friend, don't worry, no bears around these parts of the woods. It is totally safe and legit.
The bear went over the mountain to see what he could see. The other side of the mountain was all that he could see.
What is that sound? Could it be a bear?
It is just the sounds of nature, for we are on a camping trip after all. Night is falling, my friends. Better eat up those ribs, and then we shall roast the marshmallows in twilight.
Indeed, and at twilight the clouds look like Bologna's meatballs. Guys. Fuck. You know, my YouTube channel, Wojak 101, is not getting any views. I am fed up. Maybe I should delete all my episodes. Chris, sometimes I have suicidal thoughts. You know, I mean, what is the point?
Edward, bro, I'm still trying to figure out how TikTok works. We boomers have it hard, you know. Listen, I heard in the grapevine camping vlogs are trending. Let's film this trip and upload it. Instant views.
Thanks Chris, buddy.
Indeed, and I can do stunts. Perhaps I could eat 10 marshmallows at once?
But that is just brain rot content. What is the point of all that? That seems stupid.
Guys, chill. Let's just chill tonight. Why are you all so stressed? For once we are having a good time and not just being a wagey.
Smoker the bear!
Sup, dude? Got any ribs to spare?
Oh no, it's a bear. This is how we die?
Chill out, Leonard. Look, he's holding a Doobie, no de klauk.
My name is Smoker the Bear. I prevent forest fires by vibing.
Doobies? Hey, do you have an extra doobie for me? Smells like a bitch, doing yoga, in an herb garden.
Doobies? Like Scooby-Dooby Doo.
Whoa, buddies. Something smells nice, man. Mind if we join?
OMG! It's Groovy and Zart. From outer space. The Wojak 101 episodes are so cool!
Groovy and Zart are from a distant planet in another galaxy called Doobion V, the fifth in a system of mellow, smoke-wreathed planets.
We bring peace and love, my friends. We are Doobie Aliens.
Hey, are alien girls cute? I always wanted to fuck an alien, you know.
I like your vibe. Edward, buddy, you guys are chill.
Only one way to find out. You guys better come to our planet. Get in the lovemaking mobile, man.
And so the buddies had met up with Smoker the Bear, Groovy and Zart, and they were on their way to Doobion V to fuck some alien slags. Will Leonard finally get a chance to fuck? What will happen next? Find out in Episode 2. Episode 2 of Chapter 1, Spaced Out. Should be dropping Friday, sometime around midnight. See you soon, my friend. Over and out.